Welcome to the best picks. The best 2012 Honda Accord Headlight is probably one of the most important components for your vehicle's safety, especially when driving at night or in bad weather. Dim or damaged headlights can significantly reduce visibility, making it difficult to see the road and other vehicles. Replacing your headlights can greatly improve your driving experience and safety, ensuring you can see and be seen. Number 5. DWVO Headlight Assembly for 08-12 Accord Sedan. Introducing the DWVO Headlight Assembly, designed for your 2008 to 2012 Accord 4-door sedan. This assembly is built to enhance your driving experience. These headlight assemblies are specifically designed for your 2008 to 2012 Accord sedan. They use 9005 for high beam and 9006 for low beam. Bulbs are not included. The integrated metallized reflectors increase light distance. This improves visibility and driving safety in any dusky conditions. The fully sealed structure prevents moisture from entering. This ensures reliable performance in rain, snow, or dust storms. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses, it protects against road debris. The high-impact housing withstands shock and vibration. Professional installation is highly recommended. The assembly comes as a pair, including both the driver and passenger sides. What we like. This headlight assembly features improved illumination, ensuring better visibility in any dusky conditions. The weather-sealed design keeps moisture out, and the impact-resistant build protects against road debris. If you frequently drive in challenging weather or on rough roads, you'll find that this headlight offers the durability and clarity you need. What people say. They were a perfect fit. Exactly what I expected, have been on the car for a year now, probably with zero issues. Weather sealed, the fully sealed structure with solid silicon prevents moisture from being trapped inside the housing and provides reliable service in sorts of weather conditions such as rain, snow, or dust storms. Number 4. WEELMOTO Headlights for 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord 4DR. These headlights are a 100% match for your 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord 4-door sedan. Please note that it does not fit coupe or crosstour models. You can easily install them using your stock bulbs. The classic matte black housing is designed to be glare-resistant and gives your car a modern look. It's also anti-dirt, keeping it looking great for longer. These headlights are made by a professional manufacturer and meet DOT standards. They've been tested for various impacts, including drops, vibrations, and exposure to the elements. This ensures a long lifespan for the product. The design team created an expert light pattern for super bright headlights that meets SAE standards. They are designed for optimal performance, providing you with a superior lighting experience. Installation is easy with the plug-and-play design and the provided manual. Plus, you get a 1-to-1 service and a 3-year peace of mind assurance. If you have any issues, contact WEELMOTO for assistance. What we like. This headlight offers an OEM match, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. The glare-resistant housing provides a modern look, and the product has been rigorously tested for various impacts. If you are looking for a reliable, high-quality replacement that meets all safety standards, this is the one for you. What people say. Purchased these new headlamp assemblies for my daughter's 2010 Honda Accord, as her old ones were very cloudy and not as bright as they should be. My husband removed the front bumper as a YouTube video suggested, and the whole headlight replacement was completed in one Saturday morning. An easy DIY, and the headlights now look great. They are way better than my old OEM ones, which have been fogged out for a while now. Quite the difference. They come with a 3-year warranty. Fast shipping, overall amazing product. Number 3. TUSDAR Headlight Assembly for Honda Accord 2008 to 2012. Are you looking to upgrade your Honda Accord's headlights? This TUSDAR headlight assembly is designed specifically for 2008 to 2012 4-door sedan models. It's a direct replacement, making installation simple. This assembly fits 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord sedans. The package includes high beam and low beam bulbs, so you're ready to go. Please note that signal and parking light bulbs are not included. This headlight assembly replaces OEM part numbers 33150TA0A01 and others. The special coating makes the lens scratch resistant. It's also fully sealed for protection against the elements. The TUSDAR headlight assembly increases brightness for better visibility. This helps you see more clearly in all conditions, making your driving safer. This product comes with a 30-day return policy and a 1-year replacement promise. The manufacturer wants you to be completely satisfied with it. What we like. This headlight assembly offers a plug-and-play design for easy installation, and a scratch-proof lens that complies with DOT and SAE regulations. Plus, it comes with a warranty for peace of mind. If you value convenience and want a product backed by a solid guarantee, you should consider this. What people say. This is exactly as described. I took this to my mechanic and he installed them on same day. Good headlights for price. Just installed, no leaks or fogging inside. Very bright and great quality. Number 2. OEDRO headlight assembly for 2008 to 2012 Accord. These OEDRO headlights are designed for the 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord 4-door models. It uses 9005 HB3 for high beam and 9006 HB4 for low beam. Please note that halogen bulbs are not included. The lights minimize glare, enhancing visibility at night. The microprism reflectors make it easier to see other cars and pedestrians. This improves safety on the road. The headlight assembly features a clear polycarbonate lens and a durable PC housing. This combination provides excellent resistance to heat, vibration, and dust. It ensures long-lasting performance. The assembly is completely sealed with solid silicon and includes a one-way vent to manage moisture. This design prevents corrosion and fogging, extending its lifespan. It's built to withstand various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, requiring no modifications, cutting, or drilling. The assembly functions like the original headlights. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. What we like. This headlight assembly is designed to be brighter and safer, minimizing glare at night. It's made with premium materials for durability and is easy to install. If you want to upgrade your car's look and safety with a straightforward installation, this is a great choice. What people say. These are honestly beautiful. If you're willing to work with them and properly do it, then the ending will be worth it. Direct fit for the light fixture, but since my model did not have DRLs, I had to add a fuse tap to a switched source. Fuse 18 is a good one, room for the tap within the fuse box. Fit and fitment were good. Number 1. Auto Dynasty headlights for Honda Accord Sedan 2008 to 2012. These headlights are designed for Honda Accord Sedan models from 2008 to 2012. They are a perfect replacement to refresh the look of your car. This set includes headlights for both the driver and passenger sides. Installation is simple, with a plug-and-play design, so you don't need to drill or modify anything. Made with durable polycarbonate material, this headlight assembly is built to withstand harsh weather. The waterproof seal ensures clear visibility, even in rain or snow. These headlights improve brightness, helping you see the road more clearly at night and in bad weather. This enhanced visibility can help you avoid accidents and drive more safely. The headlights use halogen bulbs, not included. They feature a black housing with a clear lens. The OEM part numbers are 33150TA0A01 and 33100TA0A01. What we like. This headlight assembly offers waterproof performance, ensuring clear visibility in all weather conditions. The simple plug-and-play installation makes it easy to upgrade your vehicle. If you want a reliable, easy-to-install headlight that enhances both the look and safety of your car, you should choose this. What people say. The headlights were a perfect fit and easy to install. The headlights look great and are a definite upgrade from the original headlights. The new headlights are much brighter than the old ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.